Hi, welcome to Banana Crystal. In this video, I will be showing you how you can fund your USD debit card on Banana Crystal website. Let's get started. To fund your USD debit card on Banana Crystal website, sign in into your dashboard. Once you sign in, at the left hand side of the page, you will see a list of menu options. Click on USD debit card to proceed. Once you have clicked on USD debit card, it will reveal a drop-down menu options. From the options that appear on the page, select Fund Card to proceed. After clicking on Fund Card, you will be directed to the next page where you can view your card fund history and also load a new card. At the top right of this page, click on New Card Load to begin. Here, you can manually enter the amount of US dollar you intend loading on your card, or simply use the slider to choose an amount you intend to load on your debit card. Kindly note that the minimum amount you can load on your card is $50. Once you are ready, scroll down, click on Preview button to proceed. Once you click on Preview button, the total amount, the transaction fee and the amount you want to load on your card will be displayed for you to review. Once you have reviewed this and you discover that there are no errors in this transaction, kindly click on Submit to proceed. On this page, your transaction will be displayed as pending. To complete this process, check your email and click on the Transaction Confirmation button to proceed. On your mail, click on Confirm to authorize the transaction. Once you have authorized this transaction, it means you have successfully funded your BananaCrystal USD Debit Card. Kindly note that it takes up to 24 to 48 hours on weekdays, while up to 72 hours on weekends and on public holidays for your card load request to be fully processed. However, if you have any questions, inquiry and complaint, please kindly reach out to us through our support team. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Banana Crystal.